Hello everyone, this is second part of the chapter Handling Email with PHP. In previous part, we learned about working of mail system, how the senders mail go into the recipient's inbox. For this, we learned the procedure from A to F, that is MUA transfer the mail, that is sender's mail client transferring the message to the sender's MDA MTA via computer network, and by using this email queue, MTA transfer this message to the router, then router routes this message and sending to the recipient mail server. But before transferring this message into the recipient's mail server, here is a spam and virus blocker. It blocks for the spam and virus mails, and then after the filtration, this recipient mail server sends the email message to the recipient's mail client by using MDA, MTA and MUA. We learned in detail in previous video about the MDA and MTA. Now we will see which protocols is used for this internet mail transferring. Okay, when we are sending the mail, when we are transferring the mail, which protocols are used? We know that there is a different protocols. Okay, because like any other communication across the network, when we are sending the mail, at that time also we need a different protocol. We will learn one by one. First we will see SMTP. SMTP means what? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. To send the mail, SMTP is used. Okay. SMTP is a standard protocol for sending email across the internet, and for that we are using the port 25. It is the default SMTP non-encrypted port. See, in this diagram, here is a sender and here is a receiver. Sender sending the mail. Okay, sender sending the mail by using the SMTP. SMTP is used to send the email. Then sender's mail server receiving this mail, and by using the internet, it transferring this message to the receiver's mail server. Again here is a SMTP is used. The server then forward the message to the appropriate receiving SMTP server. Then it will place the message in the appropriate spot, that is a mailbox or pop box. Okay, so here POP3 and IMAP are two new protocol. What is mean by POP3? Post Office Protocol 3 means the POP3, and IMAP means Internet Message Access Protocol. So these two protocols also used in this procedure. Okay, so when we are sending the mail from sender to the receiver, there is a three protocols are there: SMTP, POP3, IMAP, and for each and every process we need a HTTP protocol also. Here is some features of SMTP. See, here sending the message, then here user agent is there, and it sends mails to queue. Then here is a client. We learn all this procedure in working of email. Okay, in working of email we learn about the this sender to receiver procedure of transferring the message or transferring the email. Okay, see here user agent is here, then sent mails queue, then MTA message, that is a message transfer agent, then TCP connection, or we are using the TCP port 25. So here is TCP port 25. Then MTA message is there at this server, then user's mailbox, then user's agent, and user at a terminal means your receiver. This is a procedure. Okay, now here we will see the different features of SMTP. Which are the different features of SMTP? First is SMTP is application level protocol. We know that different levels, different layers. This is a application level protocol. Then SMTP is connection oriented protocol. Second feature is SMTP is connection oriented protocol. We need to first establish a connection. SMTP is a text based protocol. Next is it handle exchange of messages between email server over TCP IP network. See here we know, see in this diagram here is a TCP connection. Okay, it handle exchange of messages between email server over TCP IP network. Next is notification regarding incoming messages. Okay, apart from transferring the email, SMTP also provide notification regarding incoming message. Next point is, when you send email, your email client send it to your email server, which further contacts the recipient's mail server using SMTP client. So we need a SMTP client. Next is, SMTP commands specify the sender's and receiver's email address. It specifies the sender's and receiver's email address along with the messages to be sent. Okay, it will give the information of sender's and receiver email address. The exchange of command between the server is carried out without intervention of any user. And next one is, if there is a message cannot be delivered or there is any problem in delivering the message, it will gives you a error report. Okay, an error report is sent to the sender, which makes SMTP a reliable protocol. These are the different features of the SMTP. Okay, see why we are using this SMTP. We are using the SMTP to send mail. To send the mail, SMTP is used, and here in this procedure three protocols are there: SMTP, POP3, IMAP. Okay, and here is the features of SMTP. We will learn this POP3 and IMAP in the next part. Thank you.